ready for the water. I like to see the beach. Wait up. Over here. We are ready. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I don't know if we're starting a new vlog, but if we are, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shakir. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, put the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, we are ready in our shirts. I have on the Shakir. Everybody have on the name with my showing back.
Savage.
Alright, so everybody have this on the back. It's Savage Squad. Yeah. So yes. Now go on me put in a vlog.
Then I was.
Oh, you good? I love the hat. Come show them the hat. Show them what happening on the hat. Life is a beach. So we came over to Turtle River Park to take some pictures. Yeah! Oh my god, good morning! Yes, we outside. Hi. Hi. Look at that one over there at the pond. The fishes are.
Oh, glassy. Yes, I did. It's not like grass. It's glass in it.
Not this
Broken glass.
I'm sorry. And I wasn't thinking a while ago when I was walking. I'm so talk to you, sweets. I'm so talk to you. Ooh, fishy. Fish. And they are sure. Yeah. Rat. And then not even at least person they can say. Oh my god. Talk truth. To that sister. Anyway, so we're at the beach. We're at Ocho Rios Bay Beach. We're gonna spend the day at the beach today. Then later on is Sharkies. So this is the first day of the vacation vlog. Good morning. So first day of the vlog. So yes. Whew, we finally reach. Them children cheer way over here, so I can't shoot. Oh, sorry.
Near to the lifeguard.
Okay, sweetie. Okay, honey.
And
you don't need to explain.
And
we're just terrible.
Far enough from the boat over there. So.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Alright guys, we're actually leaving right now. So day one is at the beach. Day one at the beach is pretty much done. We're going on the Plaza right now. We're gonna get some stuff and then we're gonna head home. Well, the home we're staying for a bit, and then we're gonna get ready and go to Sharkies for 4 o'clock. So see y'all then. Hey Shan Shan. Hey, how you doing? I'm okay. Okay.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Alright guys, we're back at the house. I'm gonna actually charge you guys because as I said, we're actually going out later on, so I need to charge you for pictures and for video. So yeah, right, we just actually ate lunch, so we ate patty, and so I'm gonna actually rest for later. We want to reach Sharkies about 4. So yes, we're gonna race this actually after 2 right now. Rest up, get ourselves together, and then leave. So bye. what sauce